I think I've been to this event many times, probably more than 10 times, and it's always amazing. I would like to congratulate everyone who has won today and participated, and of course the committee, Shri VP Singh Ji Badnor, who of course has been a part of this amazing venture from the beginning. Of course, Dayanidhi Kasliwal Ji, Shri Sudhir Kasliwal Ji, Shri Aditya Kasliwal Ji, Shri Ashok Rathore Ji, and of course Avijit Singh Badnor, who's really been the one who's pursued this and been after me to be a part of this as the Rajasthan Tourism Department. He was very keen that we also are a partner with this event, which is always so wonderful. I'd like to, of course, congratulate everyone and tell you that it's such an amazing day for Jaipur, for Rajasthan, that we have all these beauties amongst us here this evening. And, not just from Rajasthan, but they're from all over India. And I was just mentioning to everyone that, maybe we could do something which is there for on a permanent basis, something which is not just for one day, but what if we could, have these beauties amongst us, like in a museum or something like that. So it's just an idea which I would like the committee to take forward. We could work together with the government of Rajasthan, with the tourism department, and think how we can make this a permanent feature. Of course, all of you who've come from all over the country, welcome to Rajasthan and welcome to Jaipur. I'm sure you're having a lovely time being here. It's always so amazing. There's so many new things happening in our beautiful town, beautiful pink city. And of course, I've been a little late today because there were a lot of programs, and I'm not going to take too much time because I don't think anyone wants to listen to long speeches. I think we all are here to, witness this amazing event. Of course, I've not had the opportunity today to look at the amazing vintage cars. I think it's so nice, and it's so nice to see a lot of young people, because this is our heritage. We need to conserve it. We need to, protect it, conserve it, restore it for the next generation, for generations to come. And if the new generation understands that and is sensitive towards that, I think that we've done our job. So great. There's people of all ages. There are people who've been coming to this event for many years. Always lovely and an honor to have you here. People who've come, driven all the way from Chandigarh, and who do this time and again, every year after year. I know how committed you are to this cause also, because it's not just, the cars. It's the whole our commitment to preserving our heritage. And I really admire that about everyone who participated here this evening in this whole event, and of course the committee. And once again, I'd like to thank everyone. Firstly, of course, I'd like to thank you to also have given me the opportunity yet again to be here and to be witnessing this amazing event, because I don't get these opportunities these days very often, because being in politics, it's a very, you go to events but not such glamorous ones anymore. So it's always, for me, it's a pleasure. So thank you so much.
Moving on to the next trophy, which is for the best restored vintage car.
नेम तो तैयार है, 2 कॉलम में दिल्ली कैमरा पायलट।